Welcome to 1805 Reese Street in Liberty, Texas. This 4-bedroom, 2-bath sits on a little over 1 acre in Liberty. The large living room will give you a great place to entertain your friends and family. Moving down the hall, we're coming into the first bedroom of 4. It has 2 nice windows for lots of daylight and some great shelves. This would make a great nursery or a playroom. And then back into the hall. The second bedroom also has windows that offer great lighting. The third bedroom is larger and it has 3 windows and nice closet space. Now we're going to go back into the hall and you'll see the family bathroom with a clawfoot tub. From the hall, we're walking into the primary bedroom and the primary bathroom with a standing shower. And there is a nice large closet in the primary. Here's another look at the primary bedroom. Now we're going to head into the utility/laundry room. Back into the hall and into the very large kitchen. Lots of counter space in here. And back into the living room. If you have any questions on this home or would like to schedule a time to see it, please reach out 936-776-5161.